it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So if you watched my last video about the Indie Expo, you'll see that there was going to be a part 2 because I was getting a little bit long on the timing there, so I thought I will just do another video of what actually is in my swag bag that I got from the Indie Expo. So this is going to be showing you everything that I got and telling you a little bit about the products and all that jazz, and I'm going to show you some swatches. So yeah, let's just get straight into it because I don't want to make it super long. I don't know if you guys are into long videos or not, but anyways, let's just do it. Alright, so it came in a little Ziploc bag with all your stuff. I kind of unwrapped them obviously because I had to look, but I'm going to share with you guys what is in this bag. Alright, so first up is Xoxo Cosmetics. So this is actually a makeup company. So a really, really nice company, and that is all their info right there. So we got a nice brush. Like this looks beautiful. At first I didn't realize it was rainbow because it was a little bit dark in where I was looking at this bag at first, but it's got a nice little rainbow handle to it, and it looks like a nice brush. Oh yeah, it's actually really soft. Like this is gorgeous. So that is the brush that we got, and then we got a little eyeshadow that I'm going to open off camera because it'll take me a little bit. So I don't think everyone got the same eyeshadow because I know my friend got a different one. So this is the one that I got. I guess it can be for your face and eyes, or that's just their brand. So oh, there we go. So it is a nice purple shimmery shadow, and these are like gorgeous. Like I swatched it and I'm like, wow, these are beautiful. Like nice and just like soft and buttery. It's just a beautiful, beautiful makeup eyeshadow. So that is what I got from Xoxo Cosmetics. Alright, so next we got this little bag right here, which with a bunch of stuff. So this is from Soy Magnificence. So I got a lotion bar, and I got Mani Sand and Mani Silk. So this one here is the Mani Sand, so I guess it's kind of like a scrub. Yeah, it's a gentle exfoliator designed to moisturize and smooth hands and nails, and its whitening properties help remove stains and yellow buildup on nails. That actually might be helpful. So I got the scent Zamboni. I know there was different scents, so that's the one I got. I think we're gonna put it back in the bag just because it's kind of a little bit on the oily side, but that is no surprise. So that, I like that they included the little cards and tells you how to use them and everything about the actual product, which is actually really great. So that is the Mani Sand. And then we got a lotion heart. So this is a lotion bar that is a solid way to love your skin. It's got all different stuff in there. It's good for massage therapy, and it is safe skin, fragrance oils. But yeah, so it's just like a little like moisturizer bar for your hands, and you can rub it directly on your skins or your hands and then into your skin. So the warmer your hands are in skin, the more easier it is for the bar to work. So that is the little bar. It's a little heart. So very nice. My scent is kind of like light. I don't really know how to describe Zamboni, but it's a, like kind of more of a fresher smell, I guess. All right, so the last thing I got is the Mani Silk. So a Mani Silk is a concentrated whipped cuticle balm. Adds important skin-loving natural ingredients to nourish your nails and cuticles and protect your skin. So I could definitely use more cuticle oil. I'm not consistent enough with it, but my cuticles aren't too bad, but I just, you know, to make your nails grow better and all that jazz. But that is the Mani Silk. So those are 3 products from Soy Magnificence. So very cool. I'm interested to try these because I've never actually tried anything from this brand, I don't think, before. I don't think they were there last year. Not really sure. Anyways, let's move on. Alright, next we got something from, I think it's Under a Hula Moon. I remember getting something last year. Hold on. So yeah, this is from the brand Under a Hula Moon, and this is a handmade, Hawaiian wax melt that they have. I definitely remember them from last year. I love their whole little look and everything, and this smells really good. So this is the Under a Hula Moon wax melt, and it is banana, I believe. It's just banana. I don't think it says anything anywhere else, but it smells good. I could definitely smell this like right out of the bag. So it's just like a little wax square, but I think it might actually be bigger than last year. So there you go. That is a banana. And then they included a cute little pineapple gummy, which I always see in everybody's like Manology gifts that they get. So, and then we got a cute little sticker. It says, "Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside." That's super cute. So that is from Under a Hula Moon. Alright, so next we've got a pamper package. This is from Xoxo. And I actually remember talking to them. I remember seeing them at the expo, and they had a lot of neat stuff. So let's see what we got in here. We've got a black raspberry vanilla shower smoothie. It's packaged really well. I'm like impressed with that. And then we got a black raspberry vanilla shower gel. Nice. And then we also got a refresh featuring Himalayan pink sea salt. This is a essential oil blend, and it's refreshing, soothing, and sparkling. So I guess it's like a single bath sample. So very nice. I'm definitely interested to try those. So that is from Xoxo, S-O-G-A. Next we got this. I'm guessing it's like a holder for like a lip chap or not nail polish. I'm not really sure exactly what this is. If you guys got one of these, I don't know, what's your thoughts? I don't really know who it's from or anything either, because there wasn't anything just that on its own, but what do you guys think? This is the one I got, so if you got one, let me know. Alright, so now we're into the nail polishes. So this one is Hit the Bottle. This was run through the Beautometry table. So Hit the Bottle wasn't actually there, but they had their polishes from Beautometry, which it was great to meet them, because then I actually get the My Mani boxes. So now I made like that connection there, which now I get to see who put the face to the name. So that's pretty cool. So this is Hit the Bottle stamping polish, and this one is Fuchsia Predictions. And that, I just did a swatch of the whole color just so you can kind of see what it looks like, but it's a stamping polish, and I'm sure it stamps really well because I have a few Hit the Bottle polishes, but I do not have this one, so that is pretty cool. Next we've got an Alter Ego Body Care Products nail polish, and this is called Golden Brilliance, and this is an exclusive for the VIP bag. Really, really pretty. So that is 2 coats of that one, so it's kind of like a champagne-y gold kind of, I don't know, it's beautiful. Like, I really like it. It's like a neutrally kind of color, but it's got a hollow in there, so really, really nice. So that one is from Alter Ego Body Care. So I've tried polishes from them before, and I've liked them in the past, so definitely looking forward to trying this one. The next one we have is from Ethereal Lacquer, and this one is called Elsewhere, and again, this is exclusive for the VIP bag, and it's got like this nice like shimmer, like reddy pinky shimmer to it. I'm actually really liking that one. So that is 2 coats, of that polish right there. So I'm definitely interested to try that one too. The next one here we have from Zombie Claw, and this one is called Canadian Zombie, so I thought it was kind of funny. So it's like an orange, like hollowy, like it's got a bit of different glitter flecks in there, so it's actually a nice orange. I'm not sure how much I'll wear this one, but yeah. So I did 3 coats of that one just because it's a little bit on the thinner side, probably to get like all the glitters and like the flakies kind of to show through. So that is 3 coats, and it's actually like a pretty vibrant orange, which is nice. So might be a good like I don't know. I'm kind of thinking fall Halloween, maybe because of their name is called Zombie Claw and they called it Canadian Zombie, but I will see. So that is that polish there. Alright, so the next one is from Bee's Knees Lacquer. This is their polish, which is called a Sweet Jesus. So again, exclusive for the bag. So it's a different color. It's like kind of like a gray, and it's got like a nice pinky shimmer to it. It's very like unique, definitely. So that is the polish for this one. So that is 2 coats. I did a third one because I kind of got it smudged a little bit. But you can definitely do 2 coats of that and it's really good. But I really liked how that pink shimmer kind of comes out in there. And it actually pairs pretty well. So there you go. So that is Bee's Knees Lacquer. So the next one is from Girly Bits. This is I think I really like this. Like, this is probably one of my favorite ones, I think, out of there, just because of the color. So this one is called Je ne sais quoi, and this is again exclusive for the bag. So it's got some flakies in it, like a bluey green flaky, and then it's got like a shimmer to it, kind of blue and green, and like with a mint base. So that's really, really nice. So we'll show you what that one looks like. So that is 2 coats of that Je ne sais quoi. So you can see how the flakies kind of come out there, and this is definitely one of the colors that I wear quite often. I like mint bases a lot. So, but I'm really like interested in all the different polishes I got, because they're definitely going to be something different for me to wear, and obviously I am always looking for new nail polish. So yeah, this is the Girly Bits polish. So next one we have here is from Paint It Pretty Polish. If you watch my channel, you know that I review for Sherry, so I am definitely familiar with her polishes. So you can find all of her information there on the card. So this one is different again. So this one is called Charge It. So it's kind of like a light pink, and it's got like a nice kind of rainbowy shimmer to it. So really, really pretty. I think everyone might have got a different one, because my friend, she got a different Paint It Pretty polish in hers, so it wasn't always the same for this particular brand. But that is what it is like with 2 coats, and it's actually pretty opaque, so that is pretty nice. Alright, we are down to our last polish and item in the bag. So this one is from KB Shimmer. I believe this was through Harlow & Co, because they were sitting at the table there and they had KB Shimmer out. I actually haven't tried this brand, and I just got a bunch of different ones from them, so I'm actually interested to try them. I've always seen these polishes online, like Instagram and all that stuff, and I wanted to try some, so now I've got one, and this one is gorgeous. Like, this one is really, really pretty. So this one is called Thanks for Putting Up With Me. So very cute name too. So it is like a purple, like hollow-y, beautiful color. I really like this one a lot too. Definitely up my alley, but I'm trying to change it up a bit too. So that is 2 coats of KB Shimmer's polish right there. So yeah, so that is the last polish, and now you can see all of the different polishes I got. So these ones were all from the bag, and then these ones were from the cocktail party. So you got a wide range of different colors that came in the 2 different bags. Sort of similar, but not quite, so kind of nice to see what you get all together. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited to try out all these polishes. I don't even know what I want to start with, but I'm going to do another video, because again, this one's getting long, on what I actually purchased, so stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.